Hello and welcome to this week-long meditation series designed to help you begin each day with intention, reflection, and a sense of inner calm. Each meditation is inspired by a day of the week, offering a unique focus to support your mindset and well-being. By setting aside just 5 minutes each morning, you can cultivate presence, reduce stress, and be more aware and in charge of your own internal experience. Welcome to Saturday. Saturday is named after Saturn, the Roman god of time, wealth, and renewal. It is often seen as a day of restoration, a time to pause, reflect, and prepare for the day ahead. Unlike the hustle of the work week, Saturday invites us to move at our own pace, reconnect with what matters, and nurture ourselves in ways that restore our energy. Today's meditation will guide you into a deep sense of rest and renewal, allowing you to fully embrace the present moment. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, and close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Once more, inhaling deeply, filling your lungs with fresh energy, and exhale, releasing any lingering tension from the week. Go ahead and let your breath settle into a natural rhythm, steady and calm. Take a moment to notice how your body feels. Are there any areas of tension or tightness? With each inhale, imagine sending soft, warm energy to those areas. And with each exhale, allow them to relax and release. Now bring your awareness to the sensation of your breath moving in and out. Feel the surface beneath you supporting you. There is nowhere that you need to be, and nothing that you need to do. This moment is just for you. Imagine yourself standing beside a flowing river. The water is clear, moving effortlessly, always renewing itself. As you watch the gentle current, imagine placing any stress, fatigue, or worries into the water. See them drift away, dissolving into the flow. Feel yourself becoming lighter, more open, and refreshed. Now picture looking upstream and imagine the water carrying something down to you. A sense of peace, clarity, and restoration. Breathe in this fresh energy, allowing it to fill every part of you. As this meditation comes to a close, take one more deep breath in and exhale fully. Gently bring awareness back to your surroundings. Feel the weight of your body supported by the seat beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, roll your shoulders down, and slowly open your eyes if they were closed. Carry this sense of renewal and ease with you today. Let Saturday be a space for joy, rest, and the simple pleasure of being present. Thank you so much for joining me in this week-long meditation journey. By taking just a few moments each day to pause, reflect, and breathe, you're nurturing a deeper connection with yourself and moving through your week with greater intention and ease. If you'd like to learn more about my work or connect with me, you can find me at evergreencounseling.com. Wishing you continued peace and presence on your path. Take care.